Remove the leg by pulling the leg and thigh away from the breast and cutting through the skin and flesh to the joint. Cut down to the thigh joint and twist the leg to break the joint and cut the thigh and leg from the carcass. Repeat the other leg. Turn the bird over and place it on its breast. Hold the tail tightly with the thumb and forefinger, and in a single swift movement, cut alongside the backbone from the bird's tail to its head. Lay the bird flat. Remove the backbone by cutting through the rib bones. Bend the bird back, breaking the breastbone free. Run your fingers along the bone to separate the breast from the meat. Pull the bone and cartilage completely free. Cut through the skin to separate the breast in half. You now have 4 quarters. To cut the bird into 6 pieces, separate the leg and thigh by making a cut guided by the line of fat on the inside of the thigh and leg directly through the joint. If you miss the joint, back the knife out and try again at a slightly different angle. To cut the bird into 8 pieces, separate the wing from the breast, cutting the joint. Or split the breasts, leaving a portion of the breast meat attached to the wing.